Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel ALP Talk General and Electrical Aspect.
Today we have Mr. Shubham with us. He's an electrical graduate. He recently passed out. After graduation, he done one of the electrical course, electrical design systems. So this course helped him to gain the knowledge about practical aspects and all. Uh, Whatever he studied on the college, it's far different, far away from the electrical course. Whatever he learned for the past 3 or 3 months duration, so it's very nice course, we can say. You can watch this entire video. He is explaining what different things they are teaching in the common design systems, electrical design systems. So it is a lightning, earthing, substation design, cable selection, sizing, overload calculation, short circuit calculation, estimation. Yeah, there are so many stuff they covered in this course. I think this course is around 4 hours duration. Um, and after that we need some practice also, maybe 2 to 3 hours it may take. As per Shubham, it's an online course. So one of the institute from Hyderabad Institute, they conducted this. So it's a very nice, we can say. So whenever your lack of knowledge, and whenever you want to gain some knowledge, mainly for freshers who want to be a perfect technical guy, so that yeah, after taking this course you can choose any of your future career as per your interest. If you are fully aware of all the three dimensionals, then you can choose which path is good, which path is good, which path is good, what opportunities are there, what possibilities are there in outside world. Yeah, this is mainly for technical guys who want to pursue their career in a core jobs, career related, electrical related mainly. So please watch this video, if you, so that you can get a clear understanding what things are there actually in the common electrical design systems. So if you have any questions or comments, please comment in comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. This video may be a little bit lengthy, but I am sure that it will help you to get some better understanding, so that you can be very much clear about your future career path. I given the link of our guest also, so that you can connect with him on LinkedIn, so that he may help you further. Keep watching. Hello, Shubham.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Sir, am I audible and my video is on, right?
Yes. You are audible, and you are also visible. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Welcome to
Thank
our
you, sir.
channel, ALP Talks. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. How are you? How things going on there?
Yeah, fine, sir. All things are fine.
Okay.
Here, people are also flexible with all
Mm-hmm.
their routines.
Nice. Yeah, that what we have to listen listen good words. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, I think you
All
are.
people are
Yeah. Yeah.
all people
Proceed.
are waiting for all things good news.
Yes. Yeah. Bad news also required to sharpen us,
Yes,
but
sir.
we don't want to listen and like bad news. That one suddenly it has to happen and proceed. That's it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah, here I think you are already aware of that. I started this YouTube channel almost 2 months back to just share electrical knowledge of my knowledge, and our other people who are surrounding by us who are in the electrical industry. Generally, I am focusing on more generally 3 to 5 years people who are working in industry, so that they are better aware of how the situations are there in outside world, so that they can discuss some stuff, so that it is beneficial to the electrical engineers who are in maybe graduation or who are in research or something, so that they can get some better understanding how the things are there. So it will enhance their thinking skills and all. That's the motto of our channel. That's why I started. That's why I am approaching more people. Yeah. So this is about myself, I can say. So it's your turn. We want to know a few things about you, your profile, your educational background, and all. How the just you start proceed.
Okay, sir. So thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to introducing myself. This is Shubham Patspur. I am from Amravati, Maharashtra. I graduated from Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, and diploma from Government Polytechnic, Amravati. Also, I have some software knowledge about the AutoCAD E3 ETAP, and also I completed the electrical system designing course from Hyderabad Institute of Electrical Engineers. I learned many of these designing knowledge about the some electrical equipments like transformer, circuit breakers, relay, and switchgear panel design, illumination designing, substation designing, solar plant designing. Also, currently I'm looking for a job in electrical designing sector.
Okay, okay, yeah,
Thank you.
nice, nice. So whatever the whatever the coaching institute offered some this course to you, is this not offering any job?
Means institute having any placement or not? You are asking that?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, because that Hyderabad Institute had generally those coaching institutes will tie up with some companies, some industries outside. So they are giving some offers, right? I mean, you can attend interview
Yes,
if you
yes.
are able to clear. Yeah, anything like that. Can tell.
Yes, I got placed in one of company, which is
Mm-hmm.
Prakash Power Planning Private Limited.
Mm-hmm.
But still, appointment letter is means there is some time that
Okay.
they require.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, is this online course or offline? What you say?
Yes, it is online course, and
Okay.
also some visits are conducted, and that visits also they are conducting virtually.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Means, switchgear panel industry, substation, solar plant, all these site visits are virtually, and
Okay.
classes also are online.
Okay. Okay.
They
Okay. Nice.
provide softwares also, so that
Mm-hmm.
we can work on or practice on that software.
Okay, okay. They are from Hyderabad only or from Maharashtra, that institute?
The institute in
Okay,
Hyderabad
nice.
only. Mm.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, okay. Yeah, why I discussing all these things is because since many days, so many people are asking me whether we can get any placement, any certification courses are there, whether we have to join in any coaching institutes, something like that. So many people are asking me. Yeah, I also whatever knowledge I have, told something. Yeah, joining in NPTI or some CAD centers, is the electrical related, or some learning some MATLAB related. Yeah, whatever understanding I have from my circle, my friend circle, I gathered some information and I told them. So yeah, I think you are the good guy who are just come out from the college, who because in this COVID you got some good time also we can say to pursue those courses.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, you may be good example.
I can invest my time in that. That
Yeah,
means I have to get some
yeah,
skill
at least
that
you better utilize it your time because there are so many people just waiting for that offer letter, simply waiting and not doing anything
yes,
because they don't know these things are there. These coaching institutes are there. Somehow, maybe due to lack of awareness, or maybe due to okay, let it be, let's enjoy something, maybe that kind of thing. We don't know. Yeah, there are number of institutions outside. We only thing is we have to choose something which is best suited for us. For example, I think in your case, it is like electrical system design, right?
yes,
So almost your career will be related to now. You will choose career related to this field now, almost.
yeah,
Yeah, that's the most important thing whenever we are taking any coaching or something. That initial whatever we are doing for, say for example, 1 to 6 months duration, whatever we are spending after graduation, that what we will decide our path, entire life of 30, 40 years, right?
yes, right.
Okay,
Actually,
okay.
I also search all these courses and other coaching institute for 1 month. After that, they also not conducting in offline,
Mm-hmm.
also not providing online also.
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
this
yes.
provide this online coaching. That's why I selected.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. These coaching details we can give in description also in our YouTube section
Yes,
so that people can go through it. If they are interested, they
mm,
can pursue those courses also. Yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
yes.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so apart from that, so if you move into the these details of the course, generally how much duration it is? I mean, one daily 1 hour, 1 hour, or what is the course timings? So can you explain a bit about it? What is the process? How you finish it from starting to end? It's better in your words.
Okay, okay. So their class timings are 10 to 12, and after that 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And
Okay.
also some assignments are given, so that we have to work near about 2 to 3 years, 2 to 3 hours after a class. And this schedule is near about 2.5 months,
Oh,
near
you
about.
good
Yeah.
duration. Time also very huge. It's nice that
Yeah.
only you will get some
That means whole
feeling.
day we can spend in that course.
Okay, okay. Very nice, nice. So almost 4 hours a day for course itself and maybe some extra hours for your study and learning,
Yes.
practicing. Okay,
They given to us some assignment work, and we
okay.
have to analyze some reports
Mm-hmm.
and work on some softwares.
Okay, okay.
We have to provide, we have to submit that designings. Suppose we have to create some single line diagram about substation, or
Mm-hmm.
some designing in AutoCAD, or some street lighting design in Dialog software or Dialog CO, or some transient electrical transient analysis in ETAP software, and that all things we have to submit in that assignment.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, huge topic they covered. Yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, is there any? Yeah.
They covered 5 to 6 softwares in that course. Means they
Mm-hmm.
provide a basic knowledge. We have to enhance that knowledge by practicing on that software.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Practicing on those softwares because manually we can't do anything in today's world. Simulation and all it's required. It will save our
Yeah.
time also if you are doing on softwares. Yeah, that's what
This
the
course
trend is.
provides our core knowledge as well as software knowledge.
Yes,
So
yes, yes, yes.
students can take your path on total means software industry, also in electrical softwares. Also, some getting they can get some site knowledge also,
Yes, yes.
electrical
Uh,
site knowledge.
yes, yes. While working on these softwares, we can check our knowledge itself. Whatever things we know, whatever things we studied, so we can cross check ourselves whether our principles and everything is correct or not. Because there may be visual things will be there. It's like doing direct project like that. If you are doing simulation, means it's almost doing hands-on project. That much feeling we can get. Yeah, that depends on person to person. Somebody may take a very light in project colleges. Yeah, some people will really, even though it is simulation, they will get more knowledge on that. Yeah, that depends. Okay, is there any assessment at the end of this course?
They have taken the all the test nearby, weekly test. Every week
Mhm.
they have take the test,
Okay,
and
okay,
the result not getting to us, but they have all the results, all
okay,
the
okay.
weekly test, also some assignments marks
Hmm.
and other things.
Okay, okay, yeah, nice, nice. So the
On that,
institute. Mhm.
that means on that this all performance, they take a decision where students have to place in which company.
Yeah, 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 that's true, that's
And
true.
they analyze our strong points and weak points
Yes,
from
yes,
that
yes,
test.
yes. Based on your strong area, they will recommend, yeah, this may be good. So that in background, they will refer you to that particular positions in their,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So who started this institution? Is there any professional people who are working in industry or more senior people who retired? Can you explain a bit about that?
Yes, yes. This Hyderabad Institute of Electrical Engineers started by two people, whose
Mm-hmm.
name is Madan Mohan sir, and
Mm-hmm.
one is Sridhar sir,
Mm-hmm.
and both are work in a company,
Mm-hmm.
and they have experience near about 10 to 15 years.
Okay, okay, okay. In electrical
And
engineering.
yes, in electrical engineering.
Okay.
After that, they have started this institute, I think, from 2010.
Okay, very nice, very nice. They have
Hmm.
some good exposure also, all the things.
Also, they are doing parallelly some electrical projects also on solar
Yeah.
plant, on
Mm-hmm.
substation, like that.
Yeah, sure. Then only they also can improve themselves parallelly teaching you people. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Mhm. So, shall we jump into the topics? I mean, generally, what actually you are doing, designing means, for example, there may be so many systems, sometimes maybe substation, sometimes maybe house, sometimes maybe public street lighting, sometimes maybe public transmission lines, distribution lines, and setup will be there. Sometimes a very big power system network, maybe PGCL or some big NTPC or companies like that. Bigger power system network will be there. Sometimes transmission line structures. So whatever we study different aspects. So did they touch anything about electronics or only electrical related mainly?
Only electrical, sir.
Okay. Can you speak about all this stuff in phase by phase manner? So, what's the things are there actually, so that the people who are watching they can get better understanding. Okay, if we join into this course, we may get this much understanding. Yes, I need this understanding, so I will also join into that. Yeah, I already know something, so if people can get some better understanding of they can self assess them. So, can you please elaborate it how things are there?
Okay. First of all, they have teach us some basic knowledge. Some what are the type of the load, what type of machines, where means they take our career awareness program, where electrical engineer, where a person suits to which place, means at a as a site engineer or as a design engineer, as a sales engineer, as a marketing point of view. They take the awareness of this post. Also some soft skill like how to create a resume, how to talk in interview. Also after that, and they take our electrical topics like suppose cable selection and sizing. In cable selection and sizing, how can we select a cable? Suppose we laid a cable in underground, so we have to take some which type of cable should be used, number of covers, size of the cables, type of the cables, which type of armoring is used, which type of inner insulation, outer insulation. After that, how we select the cable. So for that, we have to calculate the current, derated ampacity, also voltage drop. And after that, they take these cable sizing. In if above ground is cable is taking, in that uh, also current carrying capacity, voltage drop is also considered. After that, in switchgear panel designing, how the switchgear panel is constructed, vertical busbar chamber, horizontal busbar chamber. Suppose various number of starter is there, so how much size is required in switchgear in that all that panels. uh, Suppose star delta starter is located in that panel, so size is near about 3 by 100 300 mm by 500 mm required. After that, it is up to 7.5 kilowatt. After that, if it is near about 25 kilowatt, so 600 by 500. After that, near up to 50 kilowatt, it is 900 by 500 mm. Up to
Okay.
75 kilowatt, it is near about 1200 by 500 mm. After that, some illumination designing. In illumination designing, they teach us what is the number of fixtures required. So in number of fixtures, one formula is there: area multiplied by required flux divided by output lumens into maintenance factor into utilization factor. Also some room index is also there. So length into width divided by mounting height into length plus width. uh, Also in external street lighting, there is a two types: point by point method and determination by illumination. There are also some standard formula is also there. After that, substation design is also another topic. So how the equipments are installed in step by step. From starting, we should install lightning arrestor. After that, after that, um, some CVT is there, wave
Yes,
trap is
yes,
there,
yes,
isolator, circuit breaker, isolator, transformer, again isolator. Which type of bus bar arrangement is there? Means a single bus bar scheme, sectionalized bus scheme, double main with single breaker, double main with double
yes,
breaker.
yes, yes, yes,
Also, some uh, uh, 1.5 circuit breaker method, ring main system.
yes,
Another
yes,
topic is solar plant designing. So, in solar plant designing also, uh, uh, first of all, we have to structure. First of all, we have to install the solar plates. After
yes,
that, there is a inverter section. After that,
yes,
there is a
yes,
transformer, which is
yes,
for which providing the which is provided to the grid supply.
yes, yes.
Which type of photovoltaic cells is there? Monocrystalline, polycrystalline, polycrystalline. All these things are covered in that course.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very nice, very nice. I think you must be the guy, where topper of the class.
Okay. So talking about softwares, AutoCAD, number of commands in there for line is here, for rectangle REC, for mirror MI, and about how to rotate. Some graphical commands is there, modify commands is there, how to take layers, how to take some how to use a block commands. Also, in E3, this AutoCAD also we can use for drawing the single line diagram. Also some schematic of switchgear panel.
Yeah,
In E3 also, we can generate symbols of schematics, like in which is used in a control circuits.
yes,
Star data starter or dual starter, as per our requirement. Means if you want to create a new symbol, then we can use the E3 softwares. In ETAB also, some R flash analysis, load flow studies we can take. So in PP kits are used in some people who are working in the manufacturing industry. So which type of PP kit is required, what type of duty is required. Means near about 4 to 8 cal per centimeter square. So duty 1, duty 2, that type of classification they teach us. About some E-plane software. E-plane software is also which is used for switchgear panel designing. Also about illumination designing software, Dialux is there. Also we can take means outdoor street lighting. Also in indoor street lighting we can do. In Revit software also we can all these means it is the Revit software is generally used by the civil people, but in electrical also we can use uh, a number of things we have to install, like in our home. All these uh, all these things we can place in that, as well as we can we can see inside room what type of what type of illumination is fall on the surface, all these things.
hmm, okay,
Thank you.
yeah. So many softwares also around 5, 6 the software they covered, right?
This is part of.
Yeah, they covered. They touched any MATLAB or no? Not required for these things.
No, no, MATLAB they not covered.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it may not required for these stuff generally. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Yeah. So many topics actually you clearly explained it without my interruption. Generally, I used to ask many questions, but today you explained clearly because the flow is like that. As you are just come out from that institute, you are everything is in your mind. So
Mhm.
yeah, that
Yes.
generally
You
that
can
should
ask
be
me for
there.
questions, sir.
And that should
Mm.
be there actually, not only when you finish the course. Almost when you are using those things regularly, when you are touching those things regularly, you will remember forever also. Yeah, because those
Yes,
things
sir.
are it should be on fingertips for electrical engineers so that they can better do designs and all. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You explained very clearly, Shubham.
Yes.
I'm so
Also,
happy.
how
Yeah.
the circuit breaker we can select according to current carrying capacity, also
Mm-hmm.
according to short circuit withstand capacity,
Mm-hmm.
number of poles required, all
Yeah.
these things we can discuss.
Okay. Anything they touched about GAS and all?
General arrangement drawing they have show us on some PDF files.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 Yeah, in today's renewable energy and all PV systems, it is going to be very much important in coming days. So
Yeah.
everything is important. So what about power system load flow, overloading related, sizing related? Can you explain a bit what you know, generally what they
About
teach?
short circuit studies, they teach us some two methods,
Mm-hmm.
per unit impedance method and up and down analysis.
Okay.
So suppose two loads are connected, suppose two motors are connected, and their ratings are given in a means kilowatt. So we have to convert in terms of the kVA. After that, on single line diagram already given some per unit impedance. Suppose on the from that we have to calculate some fault MVA, which formula is means MVA divided by per unit impedance. From that, if the two loads are parallel, so we have the equivalent MVA is equals to MVA1 plus MVA2, and suppose it is connected in series, so MVA1 into MVA2 divided by MVA1 plus MVA2.
Yes. Yes.
Uh, from that, we can suppose we have to do down analysis. We have to go from downside to upside, and
Mm-hmm.
in up analysis, we have to come from the up to down. So
Okay.
in that, we have to take at the busbar location, we have to take one value of down analysis and one value of up analysis
Mm-hmm.
at the bus bar side. And in another method, the per unit impedance method. So in that method, we have to take one new MVA as a base value. Suppose
Yeah.
if there is a equipment transformer, their MVA is given. So we have to calculate per unit impedance, means Z actual multiplied by new MVA divided by old MVA. And suppose if cable is given, then per unit impedance is equals to actual impedance multiplied by MVA new divided by KV square. From
Yeah.
that, we have to draw some per unit impedance diagram, and at each bus bar we can calculate the short circuit current from that short circuit MVA.
Okay.
Like short circuit MVA is equals to root 3 into VLIL. From
Okay.
that we can get the short circuit current at every bus bar level.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So based on that, we can decide to design that particular bus bar and whatever
Yes.
short circuit
And
capacity is there.
this same calculation we can verify from that ETAP software.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
how much short circuits current are at bus bar 1 or bus bar 2,
Okay.
depending on that SLD.
Okay. If you make the SLD in the E-plan software, it will automatically show all the parameters, right?
ETAP on ETAP software.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We can
So
see that what is the short circuit current, and what is the short circuit MVA.
Okay, okay. Nice.
And by doing the arc flash analysis, we can know the PP kit required for human.
Okay. So load estimation, load sizing, generally how we will do? It may be house or it may be for any other place. Yeah.
Suppose we have to select a transformer. So in that transformer, we have to select what type of kVA rating is required. So we have to consider 100% of continuous load, 30% of intermittent load, and 10% of a standby load. And by calculation, we have to take the design margin near about 20%. So from that near about standard rating, we can select. After that, we have to calculate some voltage drop for a transformer. So voltage drop is equal to means root 3 into full load current into length multiplied by r cos theta plus reactance into sin theta divided by some voltage.
Yes.
After that, we have to see what is the starting voltage drop, what is the running voltage drop. In this starting voltage drop is less than 6%, and running voltage drop is near less than 4%. So if the value are in means if these two conditions are satisfied, running voltage regulation and starting voltage regulation, they are within limits, then it is okay. If it's not okay, then we have to we have to change the resistance and reactance value.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, in this way we can estimate the size, right?
We can estimate the size of transformer required for the particular load.
Okay. Nice, Shubham. We covered so many topics. Actually, these things should be taught in college itself. That's what I still feel that these things, if, for example, you studied after graduation, due to for job and all some purpose you studied it. If these things you know in first or second year, in third year, fourth year, you can double it, right? This knowledge. You can double, triple, 4 times it. You can learn a lot in third and fourth year. In fourth year, at the end, you can clear the gate also by applying all these principles and all. So you can get better placements also. But most of colleges won't focus on these things because we are learning after education. That's what happening, right? True learning is happening after education by joining into any companies or any field, factory, something like that. But it should happen in college itself. So yeah, I don't know when these things will change, but it should change. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Shubham, we discussed so many topics. Yeah, this is not the end for our interview. So we are going to make many more interview videos also in future. Yeah, I can say this is just a start for both of us. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
you have very good understanding of electrical things, very clear clarity, very clear understanding you have on each and every topic. So whatever each and every area you have spoken now, we are going to make a separate videos. I will make a schedule for that. So like this, we can discuss half an hour or 20 minutes, something like that, each topic in near future. If we require any some slides like that, now we will discuss it, some formulas from directly. For example, other people may not able to catch it what you are telling. So if anything is required, we can make any formula or PPT or something, picture, something like that. Handwritten also okay, no issue. I will make a plan. Yeah, it's not like maybe 1 day or 2 days, not like that. It is maybe 2 to 3 months like that, maybe with 3 to 4 days every time. 3 days once, something like that. I will plan something. I think this time may be very good. We can cool discuss and everything. Okay, very nice. I think you are also maybe interested for discussing all this stuff. Yeah, because these things will be benefit a lot. So many people will get benefit from our discussion. That's what I can say. Yeah.
Okay.
Good, Shubham.
If you have some question, you can ask me again.
Yeah.
About that course or about that course contents.
Yeah. Fees related and all, I am not going to ask because that depends on each institutes and all. So I won't say only go to that institute and all. There may be so many institutes. So people can go to any institute of their choice, their area, their locality. If they want direct offline class, online means that's okay. Anywhere they can learn. Only thing, whatever they are paying, they should get some balanced knowledge. That's what I can say. Yeah, at least I think there are a couple of institutes in India we can say who are offering courses like this. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So how you are feeling after before joining and after joining into that course? Hmm?
Before joining also means I'm all saying that I have to get a good company with a good salary of job.
That's the final.
And yes, yes. After that, I have after completing that course, I get more knowledge. Also means about software knowledge also, and then practical knowledge also. And there is a some law includes in electrical engineering, some IEC standards or IS standards, and some report analysis. That all things I have seen. And from that I acquired a minimal knowledge from that course, and also I got placed also from that institute.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
it is the very good course.
Yes. 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 Very nice. Very nice, Shubham. I completely impressed the way you explain. It's very nice. So yeah,
Thank
our audience after posting this video in YouTube also, our audience also will enjoy it. I am sure. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for accepting. I think yesterday only you messaged me this Monday something like that. I thought maybe something else time, but
you. Yes, sir.
it's very nice.
I'm trying
Quickly.
to I'm trying to cover as early as possible.
Yeah, this much good topic we covered very in very less time. I mean, 1 or 2 days itself we discussed and we made it. Yeah, I thought actually I have something in my mind while coming to this discussion. I thought something completely whatever post I posted on LinkedIn that is actually related to one of the company in Pune. So that one
Yes.
of the HR they asked me to give some people to recommend some people related to some position. So that's why I posted it. Generally, there are some people who HR surrounding us. They are asking some profiles for their suitable position. So that's why I posted. Yeah, somehow luckily I got you. Nice,
Yes,
nice,
sir.
nice. Okay, okay,
Actually,
Shubham.
your post is related to my knowledge. That's why I am message you.
Yeah, yeah, nice, 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 nice. Yeah, I will review your resume also. I will check
Yes,
and
sir.
I will, if it is very good, relevant to that position, I can refer you there. Yeah, it's not like so many people are sending resumes. That's fine. It is if I am not replying means it doesn't mean that I didn't gone through it. Because the profile may not be suiting that position. It may
Yes,
be
sir.
higher qualified, it may be lower qualified. So there are so many things will be there. So yeah, I hope all our people who are watching this they can understand it because if anybody is calling me for any post something like that, I am sharing on LinkedIn because some people can connect with me so that I can filter 1 or 2 resumes finally and I can send to them. That's what happening. Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Good.
Okay,
Good
sir.
day. I will connect with you. Thank you. Bye, dear. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Nice.
Bye.
Nice. Nice.
I hope you enjoyed this content. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. So press on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future videos. You will get notifications also. Thank you. Thanks for watching.